Alright guys, just a quick update in the shop here. Now it's been a few weeks since I've shown any progress, but slow and steady working on the enclosure. It's kind of slow going here, but making some progress. First I got the main pans on, which kind of sets up the coolant enclosure of the machine, and that's all attached, and the y-axis covers is on its bracket, and it also supports the front of the enclosure up there, which gives this front piece a little bit of stiffness. So fortunately everything's lining up really well. Just very minor tweaks to all the sheet metal to get everything to fit. I did have a kind of fundamental change on the control box there. I did have the hinge was on the outside, so the door would swing this direction, but at the last minute changed my mind and decided to do it this way instead. So this allows me to just open the box here, and oops, sorry. I think it'd be easier to reach over the enclosure on this side and get to the box before I need to get in there for some reason. And then the upper half of the enclosure is going to more or less just kind of bolt on. So I think that pretty easily, when I need to, I can just take off some screws and lift off the whole top half of the enclosure, which really makes it a lot easier to get to everything. Just got this big back section on here tonight, and so it's anchored to the column with a little cleat here. It screws in, and I'll have screws across the bottom there that attaches it, and then the upper enclosure will have this 1-inch square tube that just to give it some stiffness. So it's anchored to that side there, and will continue over at the same height as the other side there. So it's not quite full height, so I guess about here. It'll come out to the front and go around, and some little sliding doors on the front. So I'll try to include that in the next update. But so far so good. I'm very, very pleased that all the pieces have fit up so well. It's worth the money to have these things laser cut and or water jet cut in this case, just to get them all perfectly square and just perfectly the size. Couldn't be happier with that. So I guess another week or so I'll have the front section on and give one another update. That's all for now. Bye.